In our daily life, from morning to the end of the day, we always use it to do most of the things which we are habituated to. But unknowingly, our habits will affect our life. Yes, it is true. And it is proved. In Atomic Habits book, the author James Clear explained how our habits will affect our daily life. Everyone has habits. If our daily habits are good enough, then the results will also be good enough. If our daily habits are negative, then it will definitely affect our life negatively. Choosing our habits are also plays a main role in our lives. So, making good habits and some necessary adjustments will definitely show good results in our life. We are preparing for an exam. Just reading daily basis will definitely give us result. But for the good and best result, we need to do some daily routine system and some good habits. Just like a timetable. So at the end of the day, we will definitely see the best result and even some complementary things. In such a manner, some good habits in order to get the best life. Check some of them which will help us. Let's talk about what are the four stages which we have to observe in our daily routine, and we have to choose habits according to that. The queue. Basically, during holidays, everyone feels bored and want to do new things. This kind of feeling is basically called queue. Next, the craving. In order to do new things, we feel our friends should be around us who give us company to do new things like playing, reading stories, painting, etc. This is said to be craving. Next, the response. In that situation, how will we respond? We will definitely call our friends in order to execute our new things. Next, the reward. At last, we'll do the new things which we are planned and add. We'll definitely feel happy. How to set our four stages in order to get good results? Make our cue obvious, make our craving attractive, make our response easy, and make our reward satisfying. Just take our previous example, which is preparing for an exam. Now we will see how these four stages applicable to an exam. Make our cue obvious. We need to set a specific goal in order to get the first rank in the upcoming exam. Need to prepare the best timetable which helps in our daily routine, which makes you fit and healthy during the examination. And also the timetable need to prepare which helps for our upcoming exam. Make our craving attractive. After setting a goal and preparing all the timetables which are necessary, the thing is we must start our day with more excitement and also some activities which make our preparation without any boredom. Like if we are preparing physics subject, basically physics involves mostly the practical things. Start doing practical things which give you more motivation and the same excitement in order to prepare for more. Make our response easy. Everything is good like doing practicals, setting up goals and timetables. Executing all of those, there should be no obstacles that stop or even distract you from doing your daily routine. Set up your study table along with the materials which you have to prepare for the next exam on the previous night itself. It will avoid the laziness of searching for the materials in the early morning and even motivate you to study. Set an alarm which helps you to wake up early morning. Set the timings of breakfast, lunch and dinner and even for some refreshment. While going to bed, just revise the things you have done in the whole day. Make our reward satisfying. Obviously, everyone wants rewards. We have to choose our rewards like if we get good marks or the first rank in our examination, just to reward yourself by choosing going out for a trip, choosing for a good university, etc. This kind of motivational thoughts of rewards we need to set previously, which makes you satisfied at the end. These kinds of thoughts will make way to good habits which you will practice every day unknowingly. As you habituate in doing these things, will give you the good result in your life. Things we have discussed. Our habits will affect our life. Yes, it is proved. In this Atomic Habits book, the author James Clear explained how our habits will affect our daily life. Choosing our habits are also plays a main role in our lives. Four stages which we have to observe in our daily routine and set our four stages in order to get good results. Make our cue obvious, make our craving attractive, make our response easy, and make our reward satisfying. As you habituate in doing these things, will give you a good result in your life.